If you are using LibreOffice, this video is for you. This is the LibreOffice page. And this is the latest version of LibreOffice 8.4. After the upgrade, I realized that my earlier files like equation, pptx, when I open it with the latest version, Impress, you see the blank spots. They were actually typed equations. These are image files, still there, but the typed equations using the insert formula object, those equations are no longer there. The PDF version, after creating the file and saving it as a PDF, this is the final version. After the upgrade, the latest version has a mismatch. That's why the former equations are not visible. They simply disappeared. I searched online and found actually there is no help. Here is the older versions of the LibreOffice. I just have to get the former versions one by one to check which upgrade is actually making this break. So finally, I got one of those early versions, LibreOffice 24.812. So the final version is, latest version is 25 and above, and try an error. I found that this version is working fine. So what you need to do, if you are a Linux user, extract the file. Once it is done, go into the folder, find the Debian files. These are all Debian files, and instead of one by one installing these Debians, here is the solution. Open a terminal and type sudo and use this package to install all Debian files. It's done with no error. Now you can close this, you can delete this file, you no longer need that, and the version is 24.8.1.2. Now I can open this, not with this latest version, 24.8 Impress. When I open it, voila, all the equations are there. So I can go one by one, double click that these are the equations typed, right? So I suggest that you go to Save As and save this as a native file, not pptx native format or dp format. So once you save that, now you can open the same file with the latest LibreOffice. That's going to open it. You have access to the equation. You can do modifications if necessary.